Hello everyone, it's Samir here, and today we will see a past JEE Advanced problem from 2021. Okay, it's one of the easiest problems that came in JEE Advanced, but the reason we are seeing it is because we should grab such problems and finish it off within few seconds itself. Okay, so let's see this problem. It says that it defines complex number, its argument, and then says let alpha beta be real numbers. Okay, this is important, real numbers, such that for complex number satisfying argument of z plus alpha upon z plus beta is pi by 4. The ordered pair xy, which ordered pair, which this z satisfies, okay, lies on this circle. Now it asks you which of the following statements are true. Okay, so for this you should know this basic theory that argument of z minus z1 upon z minus z2 is same as argument of z minus z1 minus argument of z minus z2. Okay, and what this represents, argument of z minus z1 upon z minus z2 equal to k, represents locus of point z which moves such that angle between lines joining z and z1 and z and z2 remains constant and is equal to k. Okay, so the angle between the angle between lines joining z z1 and z z2 should always remain constant. In our case, z1 is minus alpha. Okay, this is z minus minus alpha and z2 is minus beta. Okay, now what does this locus represents? Okay, so this locus will represent an arc of a circle. Okay, so z forms an arc of a circle with z1 z2 as endpoints of that circle. Okay, because we know that in a circle the same chord subtends same angle on every point on one arc of the circle. Okay, so we will, from this property we can conclude that z is representing an arc of a circle. So in this problem, as I told you, our endpoints are minus alpha comma 0 and minus beta comma 0. Okay, because they both are real numbers. So it is minus alpha comma 0 minus beta comma 0. So the figure that is going to come out will be with a chord will be joining minus alpha comma 0 minus beta comma 0 and subtend a major arc. Now why major arc? Because the angle it is subtending is an acute angle. Okay, so a rough figure should come out something like this. Okay, we just plotted a rough point minus alpha comma 0 minus beta comma 0. Now every point on this circle, if you take, it will subtend angle minus pi by 4, or it will subtend angle pi by 4. Okay, so now this problem becomes pretty easy because the circle that they have given you, okay, now it should satisfy minus alpha comma 0 and minus beta comma 0. Okay, so you will just put y equal to 0 here. You will get quadratic in x. Okay, and minus alpha minus beta should be the roots of this quadratic. Okay, why we put y equal to 0? Because both the roots are lying on the x-axis. Okay, we'll just see the same thing in a little animations so that its visualization is clear. This is roughly an oral problem basically. So we see here, we take 2 points minus alpha minus beta, and z is such a point that it's a variable point. We join these 2 points and the angle subtended should be pi by 4. So if z moves such that always it is subtending angle pi by 4, it will form the arc of this circle. Okay, now there is a given circle to us. Okay, and this minus alpha comma 0 minus beta comma 0 satisfy it. So we put y equal to 0 and we find its roots minus 1 minus 2 and we get alpha beta. Coming back to our solution, so roots of the given equation you can see are minus 1 and minus 4. We equate them to minus alpha and minus beta, which will give us alpha and beta as 1 and 4. Okay, so your alpha comes out to be 1 and your beta comes out to be 4. So among the options, alpha beta is going to be 4. This one is correct. Beta is 4. This one is correct. Okay, now for more such problems and rather more tougher problems that we normally see, okay, and the way to solve them in new ways, keep watching further videos and see you in the next video.